Hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to prepare a zucchini, potato and carrot puree for your baby. This is a very natural homemade food. This is much better than buying it from the store or getting it from the supermarket. So this is what my baby eats. Is one of the foods I give my baby. My baby eats a lot of things, a lot of nutritious foods, but this one is one of the food that I give him. So today I am going to show you guys how I prepare it for my baby. This recipe, this food is very good for 6 months and above children. Okay, so let's get started. But before you start making baby food, first of all, you've got to wash your hands very well. So I will start by washing my hands. Okay. My hands are very clean. Can you see? I have a very clean hands now. So let us start. So guys, to start, this is the veggies I'm going to use for it. But this zucchini is too big, so I am going to use half of it. I'm going to chop it half, divide it into two. Then I will use half. If you don't have zucchini, you can just use carrots and potato. So I'm going to use this half, then I'll keep this half for next time. First off, I am going to wash it. See, after washing it, it is now time for me to go and peel it. I am going to peel it now. Then you chop them into tiny pieces because you are going to cook them. Guys, look at that. I've finished chopping them. Can you see? It is now time for me to put it inside a very clean pot. Then you put it in a clean pot. Add water. I normally use my baby's plate to measure the water. Then you add. Then let's allow it cook. And we'll be back. This is like after 20 minutes. Let's check. Let's check if it's soft. The potato is soft. The carrot is soft too. So you off your heat. See, I did not allow the water to dry off. It's remaining a little water here. So you have to leave this water because you are going to use it to blend the food. So I'm going to transfer it into my baby food blender. So we blend it. So guys, right now I am going to add a little olive oil. I normally add olive oil in my baby's food. Just add a little olive oil. Guys, look at how smooth it is. Can you see? So what I do is I transfer the one my baby will eat in his plate. Then the one I will put in the fridge for him for his next meal. So guys, this is the one I am going to give my baby right now, and I will show you guys how he eats it. And this is the one I will leave in the freezer for him. I am going to leave it to cool down a bit, and I will cover it, then put it in the fridge. Also remember that baby food cannot stay more than 3 days in your fridge. So if it stays more than 3 days, then don't give it to your child. So this is he's going to eat this one tomorrow. Okay, he's going to eat it tomorrow because he will eat another thing during his next meal. I'll show you guys how my baby eats it. So let's go and feed Jason. But before then, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on your bell notification so you will get notified each time I upload a new video. We are going to eat food, baby. No. It's hot. It's hot, baby. You are doing well. Guys, this is very nutritious for your baby. This is what my baby eats. That make him look so fine, so handsome, so beautiful. Just a cup because